So you are a software engineer or developer and you don't know what's in MCP yet? Well, you're missing on so many stuff, okay? I'm gonna show you in this video a quick example of what an MCP is in a like very tiny ramp up, you can say, or like a small example, and then you can pick up from here. But you have to know what's an MCP, and if you're fading this, well, you're way behind every developer out there. So let's get started. So what exactly are MCPs? Let me explain model context protocols with some toys, because why be boring when we can make this visual, right? So let me have a quick example for you. This is the developer, which is us, and this is AI. And we as developers always want to cook stuff. But for now, we don't have a clear communication between us and the AI. Sometimes the AI get false information and we can't control that. With MCP, we can do that. The MCP is a bridge between us and the AI to get more accurate things and develop more stuff. Let me show you another example. So here you have external sources. This is Shrek, okay? This is SpongeBob and this is Superman. For now, we can't be talking with Shrek without a bridge. And this bridge, this MCP, this protocol you see over here, will be our connection with Shrek. And another MCP will be our connection with SpongeBob. Another one with Superman. This is what an MCP is. It's a bridge that connects AI to external sources so we can talk to them and come up with amazing stuff. Okay? And right now we can cook better things. So now you know what's an MCP. But it's time to set some things up, okay? So if you don't have Claude, make sure you download Claude, which is going to be our AI assistant. Then I'm going to plug a YouTube MCP to Claude because I'm too lazy watching videos on YouTube. There's so many videos. And I'm going to tell Claude, please summarize one video and give me all the information out of it so I can just get the value I want and leave, all right? I don't want to watch that video. It's possible, yeah, because MCP is here to help us connect the Claude to YouTube and get all the information. Okay, this is why we're gonna do it right now. So when you have Claude ready, okay, now it's time to set up the MCP. And as you can see here, there is this tool, and I have 10 MCP tools available to use with Claude. And you're gonna see them and how to install them. But today we're focusing on this one, download YouTube URL. So first of all, to set up this, we need to have this ready, install local MCP server. And this one is pretty easy to plug, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, head to this GitHub repo. I'm gonna have it linked in the description down below. And once you have it done, we need to copy paste this, okay? And let me show you where exactly you need to copy paste it. I'm on Windows, so I need to go to this path and copy paste it in a file. Let me do it right now. And if you're on a Mac, you have to go to this directory, all right? So now you have to make it to this directory, and if you couldn't make it, it is because you don't have this enabled. Go to View, Show Hidden Items, and then you can navigate to this folder. Once you're here, you have to create a JSON file if it's not there, and it's called Claude_desktop_config. And once you have this created, okay, you need to open it with a notepad, and it's gonna be empty, of course. And before you paste that, make sure you open this curly bracket and close it and paste that inside of it, okay? And right now you can save this notepad and go back to Claude. So once you're back to Claude, this icon should show, and if it didn't show, you have to restart Claude, of course, and then you're gonna have this installed. Install local MCP server, and this one installed too. And it says it's coming from server MCP installer. Right now, we need to install this one, which is called MCP YouTube, and it's gonna grant us the power to download YouTube URLs. To do that, we need to get it from a GitHub repo. I have here this repo, okay, which is gonna be linked in the description down below, of course. And all you need to do is to do these steps, and please make sure you do them correct. So it's saying use YTDLP to download subtitles from YouTube and connects it to Claude AI via MCP. Try it by asking Claude. Summarize, and this is the prompt we're gonna do, and you're gonna require YTDLP to be installed locally. So to do that, you need to search for this one, okay? So go to Google and search for this one and say download. And once this opens, you have this releases, and click on it. And it's gonna give you another GitHub repo. And over here, you need to download the one that fits your operating system. For me, it's this exe file. And once you have it downloaded, just click on it. It's gonna download. All right. So as you can see, it's downloading for me. And you have to add your environment variables in the path. Okay, let me show you how to do it. To add it to your system environments, you have to go to settings on your Windows and just search here, advanced system settings, and click on it. And here you have to click on environment variables, and over here you have to edit this path entry and click on edit, and then here add a new entry. And I have this exe file in this one, which is C tools, and you have to create a folder and add it there, or add it anywhere you want. Okay, just make sure it's added to this window over here, and click on OK. And now you're set up with this. Now restart Claude, or go back to Claude. Before you restart it, we have to tell him to install the YouTube MCP. So let's go back to GitHub and grab the needed to install it. So back to GitHub, and the second step we need to do after installing YTDLP is to tell our Claude to install this MCP server. So go here and just tell him install this. And let me just install it again if you want. Okay, but I think he's not gonna install it, or yeah, he's doing it. Okay, so he's telling me to run this tool, and you have to of course allow him. So you can say allow for this chat or allow once, doesn't matter. He's gonna go and do it, and once you have it, it's gonna tell us that it is successful. So as you can see, he's telling us installed MCP server successfully, and right now we need to restart Claude to see it in our tools. Now that we restarted Claude, you have to see this, okay, available. Download YouTube URL. It has to be there from server MCP YouTube. If it's not, it means there's an error. And you can see that also if you go to here and go to file, settings, and you go to developer, and you can see that MCP YouTube for me is running. It means that this MCP server is running good. It has to be running. If not, it's gonna show failed, and it's gonna show you also the logs, so you can go to the logs and see what's going on, and then you can debug further. Once you have this set up, it's time to see the magic. All right, I'm gonna put X, and let me tell Claude to summarize my latest YouTube video. And right now I'm gonna tell Claude to connect to YouTube through this MCP and actually download the video and analyze it and read it and watch it, because as we said, we're too lazy to watch it. But you shouldn't be lazy because it's my video. Okay, be lazy on other videos, not mine. Anyways, so summarize this video, and let me come here and show you. This is my video. I'm just gonna copy this URL and put it over here and see what's gonna happen. Let's see the magic. So he's saying he's gonna be downloading this video, and he's using download YouTube URL from this MCP server, and I'm gonna tell him of course. So he's downloading it. As you can see, the tool just opened in my CMD, and right now the magic is gonna show, hopefully. Well, okay, so right now he's summarizing it. And as you can see, he just summarized the entire video. And it's actually true, so let me read this for you. This video by Mike shares 5 essential habits that front-end developers can adopt to improve their coding skills and career. Here's a breakdown. He's saying the habit 1 is a daily 15 minutes code review, which is true. And he's also pointing out the things I've done in this part of this video, like keeping notes of my mistakes, okay? And also saying a lot of stuff like the typos and the potential bugs I explained in this section. And habit 2, so spend 10 minutes with browser DevTools. He also summarized it, all right? And the rubber duck debugging. Let me see if he got the toy correct. Let me see. All right. Well, yeah, he got it correct. It's correct. And habit 4, stop blindly copy-pasting AI-generated code. It is also true. And habit 5, celebrate your successes. So it's all true as I can see right now. And yeah, as you can see, we just got a summary out of AI, out of Claude, without us even watching a video. Like imagine this YouTube video was 1 hour of tutorials and you don't really feel like watching a 1 hour video. You can just tell Claude right now using the YouTube MCP to summarize it and just give you the value out of it, like the value that you want even. You can probably just tell him, search for an exact info in that video and tell me where it is in this 1 hour video. Like the ideas are super crazy over here and you can try it for yourself. It's super easy to set up. I just showed you, and tell me in the comments down below what stuff you pulled out of it, okay? So you saw how much your AI could be powerful using MCPs, and let me tell you, there's so many other MCPs you can use using your Claude or your AI. There is one called Puppeteer, and you can connect your Claude to the web browser Chrome and do anything you want there. You can crawl through websites, you can pull out information from websites or articles, you can take screenshots, you can do anything there, okay? And there's also another one that connects your Claude to your file system, and you can delete files, create folders, do anything there also. And there's also MCPs that connect to your cursor if you want, okay? So if you're using cursor, you can connect MCPs to it and use it like a superpower, really, all right? And let me tell you that you can't fade on this new thing, okay? You can't just ignore it and not use it. Give it a try. Like I'm getting into MCPs right now and AI agents, all that stuff, like every developer. And this is the purpose of this video, like to explain to you what this is and also to tell you that you can't be fading this technology. You can't, okay? You're gonna go behind if you just stay on the normal things like coding without AI or doing anything like manual work, okay? You have to automate your things, and this is the new era we're in right now, okay? If you want to learn more about these, I'm actually researching all this stuff in our own Discord, so if you're interested, you can see the link in the description down below, our Dev Treasure Discord. So yeah, we help you find your treasure as a developer. So if you want, join us and let's learn more about this stuff, because I'm so excited with these technologies, especially with MCPs, because they're really crazy. Like you can automate your entire flow. Impressive. Anyways guys, give me a subscribe if you enjoyed this video, give me a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.